Okay, so the only thing to find out whether or not the kitchen will work in the back of the van is to actually do it in the back of the van. Yes, we've got a kitchen inside, but we do like to cook outside, especially when it's like this. Ooh, beautiful. So I've got these slidey drawers. I think you have seen them in previous videos. I've been doing a bit of mod podging on them, but they're not finished yet. So these just slide out. There we go. So I'm going to use this one as a tabletop and to cook off this one as well. I've got 2 extra slides which I've purchased. They're going to be a table which is going to be either mounted on the bottom of here and then slides out. Not decided yet, not decided fully on these cupboards yet. We're just seeing how it works. In here, if you're interested, I have those just there. They shouldn't be in there. So our cutlery drawer, cutlery drawer, isn't it? Is that right? Yeah, not cockery. Cutlery. Okay, that's that one. And in the bottom one we have food storage, and there we go. And we're having carbonara using this Nourish high in protein fusilli, and that's the idea. And something else, some bits and bobs, and I'll bring you along and I'll show you the cook, because I love to cook. Okay, so let's get started and get everything ready so we've got a work surface to work on off the back of this. So in my secondary drawer, this one here next to that one, you can see it, I have that little, remember the table that Jane hates? I'm going to use that as a work surface on top of here for now. P.S. I will be making a wooden thing that inserts, a wooden top that inserts, but I've got to find out how to pack all this properly first. So it's all trial and error at the moment. Okay, that fits pretty good. We've got an onion which has started to sprout, but we're not going to waste that because there's nothing wrong with that. Next, chicken. And the juice is off. Okay. No, we're not going to dump it, we're just going to put it there for now. So, it's out of the way. And people are always worried about chicken, so it's fine. I always have antibacterial wipes with me as well. I'm really sure you're cutting it all, and I had a bit of a cough, so I turned it off. Okay, so next thing to do is to get the cooker on, get it nice and hot, got some oil, got some lard and put it in there, and then we'll chuck it all in and get it cooking. GSR frying pan, folding, very nice. We've got in the toolkit. What have we got here now? We're looking for a bit of a spatula. And don't tell me I haven't got one, because I will have. Something, there we go. Okay, next we're going to break out the gas stove and we're going to cook the pasta on that. Okay, looking good. Going to pop and get some water and then we're going to get the pasta on. Okay, so I'm going to swap cookers, put the meat on that because I can use that as a better simmer. And on here we're going to put the saucepan with the pasta in. Okay. Right, here we go. A little red table, you hate? It's perfect. Oh, I know, it's an ongoing joke, isn't it? Ah, that'll do, won't it? Yeah, it smells beautiful. Okay, we're going to pop in some wild garlic, getting porridge the other day. And also some yeah. Yeah, can we get a bit more? Good for you. Like I said before, it keeps vampires away and I've never been bit yet. And what's them? St. George's, aren't they?
St. George's, which we've never tried, and it's still a risk, but we think we've identified them. No, we can't identify them. More garlic?
Yeah.
So run it all? Why not? Beautiful stuff.
We've also got some spinach, which we'll put in at the end. Let them sweat down.
Sweaty Betty.
Okay, so I'm going to turn off the chicken for now. We're going to add some ham to that as well. Wait for the pasta. Jane is popping off with a bucket of offcuts of mushrooms to go and spread them around, to spread the spores, hopefully get some new St. George mushrooms next year. There we go. Okay, so right, let the pasta go, that's doing well. Get that off and out, and I'm going to cut some ham up. A little bit of herby salt. This is mixed herbs and a few spices. Pasta's done, I'm going to drain it off, add it then to that, and then we're going to put the carbonara in. I was going to, but just for a second, it's still a little bit al dente. Only about another 2 minutes. So far on this conclusion, quite cluttered. Need more working space. I need a bigger work surface to work on. This little table is fantastic, but far too small. A bit cramped, could be a little bit dangerous. We could utilise this drawer as well and have both going at the same time. That's an idea I'll think about. Okay, but apart from that, we're nearly there. I knew that would happen. I've lost one. Pretty good going. Carbonara Italian sauce. Add a little bit of water, you don't want to waste anything, give it a shake. And give it a stir. Mix well into the pasta. Let it warm up a little bit more, and I think we're not far off there. Sorry about the noise of the cooker, but when you're cooking outside you need quite a good powerful one. It's a little bit windy this afternoon, or this evening. I don't know what time it is. And we'll get it in, just add a garnish. This is just let that sweat down a little bit. And now we're ready for serving. Oh, peace. Right, let's move those out of the way, make a bit of space, and then we'll serve. Oh, it smells divine, honestly it does. There we go. I'm looking for one of those
Mushrooms.
the killer mushroom.
Oh, killer. Is that beef? Oh, that's chicken.
No. Anyway, try the ham. A piece of chicken. I put spinach, wasn't it? Yeah. I put that in last, so it's only just welted down. That is nice. It's nice, even though I made it. Mushroom there. Oh, that's tasty.
What does it taste of? Mushroom.
Mushroom. There we go. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care. All the best.
It's shaky, sorry.